on the word like, you need to go for the heavy L.
Like.
Like, like,
Like.
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 So with Australia, like, it's quite
Like.
similar. Like,
Yeah.
like, but it's
Like.
with the Aussie like, it's really open and
Yeah.
I always joke a little bit and I say that with Australia, what happens is that you take a big mouthful of sunshine, throw it in your mouth, and that's the Aussie accent. It's all big and
Yeah.
sunshiny, right? So with the word like, we want to squash it and Californiaize it somewhat. So instead of like, which is big and wide, you're going to squash it slightly. So like,
Like.
and
Like.
you're bringing it towards, hang on, like.
Like.
Okay, so with Australia, you're opening up that like, and you're changing it to a lake. Flat tongue, flat tongue sound comes straight over the top. Lake.
Like.
Oh, it's just
Like. Oh.
like.
Like.
That's better. Go again. Like.
Like.
More heavy L. So go large lemons, Lucy, like.
Large lemons, Lucy, like.
Yes, like that.
Okay.